Before we get started, I just want to mention that anything that is shown in this video does not speak or represent my political views or beliefs due to privacy concerns. On top of that, I do know that we currently have a pandemic on our hands, so I did everything in my power to reduce the possibility of exposure. And as a photographer, I feel as if it's really important for moments like this to be captured, which happens only once in a lifetime. That being said, thank you for tuning in once again. Feel free to drop a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hope you all enjoy the content. And this moment is a testament to show that most pictures don't come out how you expected it. I was expecting the person to keep walking forward, waving a flag, and then at the last second when I decided to take the picture, two people ran across it, and this is what I ended up with. And before we go further, just wanted to point out what I have with me today is the Fujifilm Xpro3 with the 16 to 55mm f2.4. And all the footage that's being seen is being recorded on a GoPro Hero9 on a chest mount.
Alright, thank you.
And this pretty much concludes the video for today. So I didn't have any more additional behind the scenes for some more pictures that I did obtain. So what I'll do, I'll throw in a little slideshow. So once again, thank you for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe because it will help the channel grow, and as well as thumbs up the video. Till next time.